China. I want to share my uh, experience ประสบการณ์เนาะ
Yeah,
experience
experience.
for you and uh, number one, if you want go to China, you should prepare your CD
CV.
and prepare your passport, your money, and prepare your Chinese language, and prepare your things and eat and everything, and prepare your visa, and if you have and if you should give your money about เขาได้ว่าเดี๋ยวนะว่าเช่นวัน1,000 หยวนท่านเดี๋ยวจัน5,000 หยวนท่าน5,000ท่านมันabout 5,000 yuan go to China. If you don't have money, you cannot go to Chinese because go to Chinese you won't use money a lot of and if you cannot speak Chinese, you can ทึกคนอื่นตัวให้เลยว่า
Somebody can tell you a lie.
and somebody can tell you a lie. And I study in China. I want to share my study. Study is very hard. Study one a week, 6 a week I study, and 1 a week I can it's my holiday, can go everywhere if I want. But 6 days I study 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. Stop 8 p.m. to 12 o'clock stop, and 1 hour quickly eat run, and 1 p.m. start study and to 5 5:30 stop and eat eveningกินข้าวแลงนะ
Have dinner.
have dinner, and 7 o'clock 7 p.m. start study to 9 p.m. because in the morning I study nerd, and in the evening I study medical. I study to ซ่งไส้
And two subjects, two sides.
2 sides, and and 9 p.m. I come back my ห้องพักนั้น
Dormitory.
my dormitory. I do my homework and was take a shower and eat dinner, and my friend is very talk is very louder. I cannot sleep well, and then when I study in China, my healthy is very bad because study hard and not sleep well. Don't have time for sleep, and if I have one day to travel and if one day I don't have study, I want to sleep all day because because I want to sleep for my remember if I cannot sleep well I not remember for study yeah that's it. and if you want go to China study you should have a ตั้งความตั้งใจเรียน
You should pay attention.
pay attention for study Chinese because study Chinese is very no difficult and no easy. For me it's very easy but I cannot write that but I cannot speak. I can teach you Chinese but I cannot teach you about writing because why words or why Chinese is very difficult and if you go to China you don't understand Chinese or you teacher teach you don't think you don't understand and you don't listen to teacher to teach teacher can เว้าให้ว่าจัง
can talk about you.
and can talk about you
About say something not nice to you.
say something not nice to you and you should you know yourself what do you want what do you like if you think if you listen your parent your friend this is for example this is study doctor this is wearing is very good for you and I don't know if you don't know you think this is เหมาะสมกับใคร
This is suitable for me.
This is suitable
For me.
but ในความเป็นจริงอะไรจ๊ะ
In the real things.
but in the real thing this is not เนี่ยบ่เหมาะสม
It's not suitable.
It's not suitable for you and I think now in the world English and Chinese two languages is very important because you go everywhere you a lot of people look to languages if you cannot speak you cannot have a good job and you cannot earn a lot of money and if you can this is special for you you feel it's special can go everywhere you think it's amazing okay thank you very much for listen me my story and I hope you have a good life if you want go to Chinese you should ศึกษาเรียนรู้จ้ะ
Yeah. Educate by yourself.
and by and educate for study because if you don't educate you maybe ถือคนอื่นตัว
You maybe somebody can tell you lie.
and you maybe somebody can tell you a lie
or can cheat you แปลว่า
can
ตัว
teach you
หลอก
can teach you
หลอกเจ้า cheat
Okay, thank you very much for listen me. Thank you. See you next video. If you like my video, help me like and share video. Thank you very much.
yes thank you น้อย